Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Poem that corrects the difficult story of Ìkà Méjì. Abi monkon nile oni aroluka. Abi ikeji ire arolikaun kaun. Gbara kaibi kotibi momeji lode. Aronikani agbalikaka okani mogun. Kalile jiji. Ojo ojari omo eja kalile. Toromi ojo ojari omo eku aka inu ojo oloja ara kalile orisa. We wu oje kalile oduro kidekpekpe ojo oloja ikin. Duro sokungbeni ikin joku wa ma wo eyinri aseti. A child was born in the household. This was interpreted as a difficult problem. A second child was born, and this was seen as a good omen. It became a riddle. How does one explain the arrival of fortune and misfortune in the same home? Will misfortune allow fortune to flourish? A wise one was sought to unravel this riddle. The sage explained, the difficult child is an eel, or an electric fish, that lives in a river full of harmless or common fish. It is for this reason that the electric eel becomes king of the fishes, and why those harmless fishes, no matter how many, should never challenge the electric eel. Likewise, the mouse with a moist and pointed nose is so feared that it becomes the king of all the rats. It is called Torami in Yoruba and Khan in Benin. Also, because the unpredictable stomach is the ruler of the body, and because lead gains prominence in the house of God, for it does not rust, thus Olorun became the king of the kins, sacred palm nuts, in the house of Runmila, because both its front and its back are aligned with prosperity. Notes: when Ìkà Méjì appears during Igbodun, it signifies that the person is destined for a challenging life, surrounded by enemies who will constantly try to destroy them. Unless all the symbolic materials referenced in the poem are gathered and used to prepare the naifa, called diha in Benin, the person will struggle greatly. This ritual is essential to clear the spiritual path and facilitate their passage through life.